cha-cha. Cause there's a celebration, Africa. Rafiki Jambo, Jambo Bwana. Habari gani, mzuri sana. Wageni, wakaribishwa. Kenya yetu, hakuna matata.
I feel like it's the first time I'm seeing something like this in Lagos, a cultural themed event celebrating African culture. It's very exciting.
Wakaribishwa, Kenya yetu, hakuna matata.
I love the fact that they represented different countries and their outfits and their culture. It signifies unity, it showed the beauty in African culture.
Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. Rafiki Jambo, Jambo Bwana. Habari gani, mzuri sana.
This experience has been very fun and I wish you all are here right now.
Kenya yetu, hakuna matata. Rafiki Jambo, Jambo Bwana. Habari gani, mzuri sana. Wageni, wakaribishwa. Kenya yetu, hakuna matata. No matter where we go.
Procession today was very interesting and lively. It was very beautiful. We had so much fun dancing.
Coming out in different colors, and I say kudos to the organizers of this event. The experience from today is anything to talk about, you can tell it's worth experiencing for the second time.